Have you ever wondered what sets billionaires apart from the rest of us? How do they effortlessly attract wealth and success into their lives? The secret lies in their mindset, in the way they harness their brain waves to manifest their desires. The key to unlocking the billionaire mindset is through meditation. By quieting the mind and tapping into the power of your subconscious, you can align your thoughts with the frequency of abundance and attract wealth effortlessly. Visualization is another powerful tool used by billionaires to manifest their desires. By creating a clear mental image of what you want to achieve and feeling as if it has already happened, you can program your subconscious mind to work towards making it a reality. Gratitude and affirmations are also essential in harnessing the billionaire mindset. By expressing gratitude for what you already have and affirming positive beliefs about your ability to attract wealth, you can shift your vibration to one of abundance and attract more of what you desire. Finally, taking inspired action is key in manifesting wealth. By listening to your intuition and following your passions, you can align yourself with opportunities that will lead you towards financial success. So, if you want to unlock the billionaire mindset and attract wealth effortlessly, start by incorporating these practices into your daily routine. Remember, the power to manifest your desires lies within you. Start harnessing your brain waves today and watch as abundance flows effortlessly into your life. Remember, the key to unlocking your true potential lies within your mind. The Billionaire Brainwave Program is your guide to harnessing the power of your thoughts and transforming your life. Take action now and become the conscious creator of your reality. Click the link below to start your journey towards a life of infinite possibilities.